I'm going to make one of my shortest videos. What I'm going to do here is to show you where and how to adjust the handbrake. The reason why I've just fitted new pads, new discs, front and rear, okay? And I'm not happy with the handbrake. One, it's going too high. So when I count clicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Up to 10. I think that's too much. If I can get it between 5 and 7 teeth, I think I will be happy. So what you do, you come in here and put your hand in here and lift up. So when you lift up, this comes off. You've got clips here, 1, 2, 3, and also on this side, okay? So it comes out, and then so here is our adjuster. That's the adjuster. Maybe the cameraman needs to focus. Yes. So here is the adjusting screw and nut. Okay. So I have a 10 socket, right? A deep end 10 socket. So what I'm gonna do, tighten clockwise. Okay. Tighten clockwise, and then sorry, I should have been tightening with the handbrake on. My apologies. So let me see now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, I have 6 clicks. Maybe just leave them at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's not too bad. I can go down a little bit. I don't want it to be too tight. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. I think I like it like this. So what we're going to do now, we are going to go to the wheels. We release the handbrake, and then we go to the wheels. We turn the wheels by hand and see if the wheels are free. If the wheels are free and we've got 5 clicks here, maximum 6, you know what, I'm happy with that. That passes MOT okay. It's not too loose, it's not too tight. So we want to go now to the rear wheels. I have jacked the rear wheels up both sides, so we want to turn them by hand and then see what happens. As you can see, I've released the handbrake. It's right down, okay? The handbrake is down, so we want to go to the wheels now and see what's going on. So this is the passenger wheel rear. As you can see new discs, new pads. Okay, everything is new. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to apply the handbrake, and then try and well, maybe go to the other wheel. Before I do that, let me go to the other wheel so that I can show you that it's free as well. This is the rear driver's wheel, right? That's the offside one. I can turn it by hand as well. Okay. New discs, new pads, turn by hand. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the handbrake, and then we'll see what happens. I'm going to maybe apply just 2 clicks and then go to the wheel and see. So 1, 2, right? You can see that I'm struggling to move it. Just 2 clicks, okay? So third click. Right, I can move the wheel now on the third click. Okay, I'm gonna put my handbrake fully up. So that's the handbrake fully up. So I'll try this wheel here. Has solid rock, can't move it. Let's go to the other wheel. Right, let's turn this one. No way, no way. So what I want to do now, so that's handbrake released. So I'll go back to the wheels and prove that they are free, they are not binding. See that? One hand, job well done. So that's how you adjust the handbrake of a Mazda 6. That's the simple procedure that you follow. I thought it was necessary because some of these things, as you can see, the adjusting screw is well, hidden. So someone maybe will be looking for this at some stage. I hope you'll benefit from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and always click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from ourselves. Really appreciate. Thank you for your support.